Hey everybody, Scott here. Today I'm going to tell you about Camco's outdoor globe lights. Camco's outdoor globe lights are easy to set up and feature multicolored globes, giving your RV a more festive appearance. These 6-inch polycarbonate globes are weather resistant and made with durable UV stabilized resin. To use, first install one light bulb into each fixture. Next, assemble two globe halves by aligning and pressing the two halves together. Finally, thread one globe assembly into each fixture housing. There are two options for hanging. You can slide the integrated awning hangers into your RV's awning track, or you can use the supplied S-hooks as an alternative hanging option. The outdoor globe lights come in 6 globe packs and 10 globe packs and feature a white or black cord. The 6 globe pack's coiled cord allows the light strand to stretch over 20 feet with an additional 20 feet of straight cord. The 10 globe pack's coiled cord stretches over 30 feet with an additional 20 feet of straight cord. Other outdoor globe light colors include bronze, clear, patriotic, and white. So there you have it, Camco's outdoor globe lights. If you don't have a set, you should get one today.
Camco.net.